What's up mga quiz, mga atis? Welcome back sa akin channel. This is Quiz Anan at ngayong araw papanoorin natin yung performance ni Gabriel Enrique para sa qualifier round ng America's Got Talent 2023. So, gusto ko naman po nitong performance ni Gabriel because he is one of my favorite contestant ng ngayong edition ng America's Got Talent. So, with no further ado, let's watch the video and later I'll be giving my reaction and opinion. So, let's go!
Here I stand, taking half my pride. Ain't I wrong? With nowhere to hide. I'm exposed, see my flaws and all, but you're still here, and that's something beautiful. That's something beautiful. That's something beautiful. That you are here with me. That's something beautiful. If I fall and I crash down to my knees, you pick me up, running to my knees. Even if I run with no one to call, you're still here, and that's something beautiful. That's something beautiful. That's something beautiful. That you are here with me. That's something beautiful. That's something beautiful.
Okay, tayo ko na pa natin yung qualifiers round performance ni Gabriel Enrique from Brazil. And wow, ang galing. Hindi ako familiar to sa song na Something Beautiful ni Jacob Banks. So, first time ko ito narinig. And despite of being the first time to hear this song, pero nakanta ng maayos ni Gabriel. It was beautifully sung by Gabriel and it was full of emotions. At hindi rin ito yung masyadong madaming birit, diba? Hindi siya masyadong matataas ang tono nito, pero ang ganda, ang sarap pakinggan ng performance. Ang linis, even the words was nagkanta ng maayos. As in, everything was very good. And even yung transition nung whistle, ang linis rin. Ang ganda, ang sarap pakinggan. Actually, this is my favorite to sa dalawang performance ni Gabriel. To sa audition sa ito. I prefer this performance niya. Yung simple lang yung kanta, pero nagawa niyang something na ang bigat, yung malaki, something malaki yung song, diba? Ang sarap pakinggan. Kaya wow, ang galing, Gabriel. Definitely you are one of the strongest candidate dito sa America's Got Talent. Talagang yung bet ko sa iyo dalawa. Actually, dalawa sila. Yung Indonesia, si Putri Ariani and him was my bet for this when it comes to singing talaga. So, talagang, wow, ang galing. I don't know. Talagang, I hope sana ibigay na talaga ng America's Got Talent. It's either to Gabriel or Potri Ariane because they are both really good, diba? Ang linis na pakinggan. So again, balik tayo, naisingit ko si Potri. So kay Gabriel, it was a wonderful performance, and I'm sure all Brazilians are so proud of your performance in the qualifiers round, and hopefully you will reach semis and finals. And crossing my fingers, I hope sana it won't get politics. We know America's Got Talent, masyadong lots of politics dyan na mostly pinapanalo mga Americans kaysa yung mga outsiders, diba? Parang they are being used to get more views. So I hope sana hindi ka na mangyari kay Gabriel and Potri na they will give them the due. Kung karapat tapos sila manalo, then give it to them, diba? So again, congrats to Gabriel. You excelled from what you did in the audition, and you gave your best, and it was really wonderful. So far, this is the best performance I've ever seen after the audition. So congrats Gabriel. So we are here to support you. So go! So there you go. Kung nagustuhan nyo yung mga quiz, mga atis, ang performance ni Gabriel sa qualifiers round, mag-comment kayo dito sa baba. At kung nagustuhan nyo rin naman yung binigay kong reaction at opinion, mag-comment kayo dito sa baba, and I will read all your comments, and I will try to react and reply if needed on your comments, diba? Before I end this video, please don't forget these 4 things while watching my videos on my channel. Comment, like, share, and subscribe to my channel, The Alan Ski Show, ang Pinay Talaga Channel, proudly from the vlog, proudly from the TV, and Tamad ng People Presents. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.